Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, February 6th. We continue with our Everyday Mindfulness series, and today we will explore an alternate way to work with open mindfulness. This practice is a combination of intentional concentration and open awareness, inspired by the Burmese monk Mahasi Sayadaw, and this practice is called breathing and notice. In his book, Manual of Insight, Mahasi Sayadaw says, every time one notes an object well, it gives rise to delight. As a result of this, practice becomes enjoyable. So see if you can make your practice enjoyable. And before we start, just a note, sometimes you may feel overwhelmed or stressed out by the practice. It's totally normal. See if you can simply welcome this overwhelm or stress in as any other experience and make it a part of your practice. You can try slowing the breath down to encourage relaxation, or return to the simple practice of breath counting to give yourself a break before opening the awareness back up and starting again. So above all, enjoy. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, completely natural. And just notice how this natural breath flows through your body, how your body responds to it. If you find it helpful, you can start counting your breath from 1 to 8 and then back to 1, or from 1 to 8 and then starting at 1 again. I'll be silent for a while. Now staying with the inhale and exhale, bring your awareness to the body in general. After the exhale, note one place in the body where you can feel any sensation. For example, you may note the following: breathing in, breathing out, foot. Breathing in, breathing out, chest. You can say to yourself simply, in with the in-breath, out with the in-breath, and then whatever part of the body where you feel a sensation. In, out, hand. In, out, belly. Continue in this way for a while. I'll be silent for the next minute or so. Now incorporate the sensation of hearing. Continue with the noting exercise, saying to yourself, in with the inhale, out with an exhale, and then noting whatever feeling in the body or a sound. For example, in, out, foot, or in, out, bells, or bird, whatever you hear. Again, I'll be silent for a little bit. Now open up to the thinking mind. As you have been doing, continue resting with the breath. And as you breathe out, note any thoughts, feelings in the body, and sounds. I'll be silent for the next minute or so. And finally, include feeling tones in your practice. Remember, feeling tones are pleasant, unpleasant, neutral. So you just note that. You're now resting with the breath and noting any sensations in the body, any sounds, noises around you, any thoughts, and feeling tones after each exhale. You don't have to note all of it, just one thing at a time. Once again, I'll be silent for the next minute or so to let you be with your experience without the distraction of my voice. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself, with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice of breathing and noting. Whenever you remember, just take a little pause, 30 seconds, a minute, even less sometimes. And as you breathe in and out, note breathing in, breathing out, and then whatever comes into your awareness, sensation in the body, a thought, a sound, a feeling tone. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.